Parker, can you say Grandpa? Yeah, you put them. You can put it in like that, see? You Parker push it in. There. You did it! Yay! Good job.
Okay, this is for you, and I got it back here, putting a towel over it. What do you need?
I think we've done this.
This one is clean.
That's why we got a little coffee ready.
Did you score? Touchdown!
Oh, Colorado scored already?
That was a kickoff return.
Oh, jeez.
Can you give Daddy a cheesy smile?
No.
Please?
No.